Welcome to Hadwin's Volkswagen. My name is Matthew. Today I'm going to show you how to use CarNet connected services to input destinations into the satellite navigation system on your Volkswagen. For this CarNet system to work, you need a mobile phone with a mobile personal hotspot setting, and you also need the Discover Navigation system in the car, as can be seen here. When you're searching for a destination in the Discover Navigation system, you will usually use either a town, a street, or a postcode, but you do need to know the address of where you're going. So for example, we can start typing in Milnthorpe, and we can either navigate to Milnthorpe, the town, or we can navigate to any street with Milnthorpe in it, so Milnthorpe Road, Milnthorpe Avenue. There are a certain number of points of interest which are stored in here as well, so we can search for example, Hadwin's Volkswagen, and that is stored on the SD card. However, you may come across a situation where you're searching for a destination and it isn't available in the SD card database. So for example, if we try to search for Brockhall Visitor Centre in the Lake District, we type in Brockhall, we find that that particular destination is not in the database. So how do we navigate to it? And this is where CarNet can come in to play. So what we do is we go into menu and we go into CarNet, and then we go into POIs, which is points of interest, and this is a Google powered points of interest search. And then we can type in Brockhall and press search. And then what we basically get is a Google powered search for Brockhall, and we can see that we have now found the Brockhall Visitor Centre, and we can bring up that information now. We can call it via our Bluetooth connected phone, we can start to navigate directly to it, and we can even view information that is on Google, such as the opening hours and their telephone number. And then when we press start,
the route is being calculated. The destination is on the limited access road. The destination is in the direction shown.
And it will bring the destination straight into our hardwired nav, and we can then navigate to it as normal. And there we go. The CarNet system has a few other useful features as well. If we go into menu and our CarNet features, we can see that we also have the current weather conditions and also the availability of parking spaces or parking car parks and petrol stations near to where we are at the moment. So if we press on petrol stations, for example, it will actually then look at where we are at the moment and then show us a list of the nearest petrol stations sorted by distance. But in addition to that, we can also go into the nearest petrol station and we can view further information about it, such as their telephone number and the prices of the fuel. We can phone them through our Bluetooth connected phone, or we can simply hit start.
The route is being calculated. The destination is in the direction shown.
And then it will import that destination into our hardwired navigation system, and we can navigate straight there. In order to use the CarNet connected services, you need to connect your infotainment system here to your mobile phone's Wi-Fi hotspot. So whatever phone you are using, you need to turn on your phone's wireless hotspot, and then the first time you connect to it, you go into the menu system and into the settings. The setting you're looking for is WLAN, or wireless local area network, and that is going to search for a wireless hotspot being emitted by your phone. As you can see here, it's connected to my phone. The first time you do this, when you select on your phone's wireless hotspot, you'll have to enter the password, which is in your mobile phone's wireless hotspot settings. Once the infotainment system is connected to the internet, you can also view other useful features on the satellite navigation map. So as you can see just up here, we've got some roadworks in Kendal, and we can tap on there and we can see exactly where the roadworks are on a map, and we can also see that we've got a 2-minute delay if we actually go down the A6 in Kendal there today. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.